Hello, everybody. So today we're going to discuss how to manage people in your project. But before we start, just don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this, to get more information, more knowledge about ICP. And if you find this video good and informative, just drop a like and add a comment or ask me some question in the comment section. So in the previous video, I showed you how to add a project. So basically that was our project that we made together. As we can see, just to sum up, this is a project in preparation, a project which has been made for a particular contractor brand assist, because this is the methodology in ICP that we, make projects, run projects for contractors, which allows you to, which gives you a way to better manage your customer relationships and your projects. So how to add people to your projects? First, you need to have a base of your employees, so then you can use them, so to say, and add them to your project. So basically, you click this tab, add a new employee, you click advanced options, you give it, you put an email of a particular employee, you fill this form, and then one more important thing to do is to grant that person system login permission. And then you can, if you have roles, you can give them roles, but this is a more advanced option, so I'm going to discuss it later on. You save it, and then the system sends a notification via mail to that person. Then that person accepts, generates his or her own password, and then basically you can use that person, you can add that person to a project, and that's not a problem. So we go to our project, IT project implementation, and here I can see that only one person, that is me, Mac Wordsworth, is creating this project, is running this project. So basically, I go to IT project implementation, I go inside of the project, and then I add people, and you can assign by different categories. You can choose a category, so you can allocate people with regard to project, contractor, department, job position, and you just basically, for example, add this how to use Kanban board, and you have a full list of these employees, and you can manage them the way you want, basically. So you assign them, and you can then use these people and add them to particular stages of the project. One important thing, you want to have at least 2 project managers. So for example, if Mac is gonna turn in sick, then Kate or Julia, for example, will take the role of the project manager. And you have 2 options, active and passive. Active means that that person can edit and move around the project. Passive, that person can only see and not edit your project. So for your convenience, quite an interesting option. So basically, yeah, here the access is going to have only the project manager is going to have the access here. So he or she is going to have an option to set hourly rate for particular person if it hasn't been set anywhere else. For example, $70 an hour. And then basically you're ready to assign these people with regard to the structure of the project. So for example, I would like to add people to preliminary analysis. So Alicia, I'm going to use Alicia, I'm going to use Barbara, and I'm going to use Peter. So these 3 people have just received a notification, and this notification goes 3 ways under this bell. Yeah. in mobile, it goes to your mobile app, and it goes to your mail. So this is the way the notification system works. One more interesting thing, and these are the default settings of ICP. So basically, these people can only see this particular Kanban board. They're not going to see anything else which is beneath or beneath the structure. So and this is these are the default settings of permissions in ICP. So basically, if I assign people here, they're not going to see Abbey Road London projects, provided that they have been basically assigned to it. Yeah. So if I assign people to customer briefcase, they're not going to see anything else if they are not assigned anywhere else. So these are the default settings of permissions in IC project. What else? So basically, we've assigned people to preliminary analysis, and they received notifications. But before they start working, we need to add certain tasks. So ICP. So this is a preliminary analysis. This is a Kanban board, and we've just made a task, and this task is going to be assigned to a particular user. So how to add users, people who are going to make this task for me. You click this icon, and you just drag and drop them. Simple way to add people. You can also go inside of this task and go to people and assign more users in this way. So thanks for watching. This is a way to add and manage people in your project. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and have a great day. Thank you so much.